Sheffield doesn't really shout enough about what it does. It's a great city and we do some incredible things and we have incredible people working in the city. Sheffield is really a place where we have taken the challenge of developing child health technology, and with our expertise here, we've worked collaboratively and collectively to ensure that actually we create a network that is able to develop and deliver child health technology at scale. And it's fair to say that we are ahead of the game. The remit of child technology is quite broad, but is essentially technology development for the good of the health of children and young people.
Sheffield is a great spot for child technology. When I started here, I was thrilled to see the openness and eagerness of the hospital clinicians and surgeons to new technology. And ever since then, I have created different links to all the hospitals in Sheffield and beyond. We'll take our knowledge from the hospital staff to really understand what type of technology is needed. And from those type of requirements, we start looking at how to design and develop our products.
This is our offer to industry to work with healthcare professionals to provide the knowledge transfer and expertise. And what's so important along the way with those partnerships is that we have the principle of health technologies designed for children and young people with children and young people.
Technology in child healthcare is really useful because the creative element of digital tech can be harnessed in so many ways that links in with clinical care. Technology and creative games like this can really benefit the patient.
It's a language that they understand, isn't it,
Yeah.
as well? It was just really important that we flipped the perspective of it being a scary treatment room into a fun Arctic adventure. This sort of opportunity came up because of Sheffield.
And there are so many amazing creative people working in this city.
So some of the projects that we work on here at Sheffield Hallam is we look at things for pain reduction. We look at ways that VR can distract you from the pain. We've been very lucky to have great partnerships with the hospitals here in Sheffield, and we found that by talking to the physios and finding out the movements that they require, we could actually make a set of games around those mechanics, and had a double benefit of when you're in the VR of distracting you so much that it helps take your mind away from the pain while also doing the exercises that you need.
What we find when we're using this with children is that they enjoy the experience of interacting with the robot, and it has a calming effect which can reduce the anxiety they might feel.
The universities here are fantastic, the students are fantastic, so you have access to a lot of really good quality skill sets. There's so many partnerships here to be made. Kids really relate to this technology, they're growing up with it, they know how it works, they really engage with it. I think kids though as well, but they know fairly quick if something's not a high quality. So I think it's up to researchers to try and meet that level really.
So next step for us is to develop the Centre for Child Health Technology. So this is down at the Olympic Legacy Park. The vision is to bring together designers, engineers, healthcare professionals, academics, computer scientists, data analysts, and most importantly, children and young people and their families to work collaboratively in a centre to focus on areas of unmet need and to develop child health technology at scale, rapidly, and introduce into the NHS and hopefully further afield internationally to support areas of unmet need. We're hosting the UK's first Child Health Technology Conference, showcasing the best of child health technology for Sheffield in this country, that actually we should be boasting about and the great things it has to offer. It's a very welcoming city, and the environment's fantastic as well. So not only have we got a great city centre, but we've got a fantastic surrounding environment as well with the Peak District close by. It's got so much to offer. Great organisations, great attitude, great work ethic, and it's got a great environment for everyone. We live in a world now that is driven by technology, so why not get the best technology that is out there? It's important that the UK leads the way in this, that we ensure that the future of healthcare is determined by what we do early in life. The mantra we work to is children are 20% of the population, they are 100% of the future.